Continuing MacDon's tradition of innovative solutions to make harvesting easy, the M2's design means you spend less time setting up and more time cutting. Def and fuel fill at ground level. A 530-liter fuel tank keeps you cutting all day. A larger 55-liter def tank? Check the engine oil without lifting the hood. Hydraulic oil level sight glass. The gearbox's dipstick lets you accurately check the oil level to ensure everything runs smoothly all day long. Easy access to the radiator and cooler box. Sliding platform allows easy access. Multi-coupler hydraulic hookups. Easy access, lockable toolbox, conveniently tucked away in the M2's platform. MacDon M2170 narrow transport windrowers help you get more from every harvest. Find your local dealer at MacDon.com and get ready for more.